you can make over 15% return per day by investing in Mad Meerkat Optimizer. So today you will learn everything you need to know about Mad Meerkat Optimizer and how they can offer more than 5,500% ROI per year, and hang tight because I will reveal if it's a good place to invest in or not at all. So today I will go over what is Mad Meerkat Optimizer, how much you should expect to make, my professional review of this project. Is it a scam? Is it a good investment? Should you invest in this project? AV here, and in this video I will analyze and rate Mad Meerkat Optimizer, a DeFi yield aggregator and optimizer on the Cronos chain. I share in-depth crypto reviews, and if you like this type of content, please subscribe to support the channel. Without further ado, let's get started. What is Mad Meerkat Optimizer? First of all, it's important to note that this video is about Mad Meerkat Optimizer and not Mad Meerkat Finance, which is their main product. Mad Meerkat Optimizer is a new and rapidly growing DeFi yield aggregator that is used for MM Finance. Mad Meerkat Optimizer empowers farmers to leverage their yield-seeking tendencies to optimize yield compounding strategy on Cronos. We are providing strategies for the various needs of farmers, from the highest yield seekers to the risk-reward optimizing smart investors. How much should you expect to make? Well, the most you can make is 15% return daily at the time of recording. But there are many other vaults offering amazing returns ranging from 20% APY to just below 100,000% APY. I am now going to review Mad Meerkat Optimizer on a scale of 1 to 10 with 10 different criterias. Let's start with the audit. It's important to know that Mad Meerkat Finance is audited by CertiK. However, the vaults, which is the Optimizer part, is not audited. It's still pending. It looks like they're planning it, but I give just 0 points here. How do charts look like? The price of MMO is at $6. And if we look at the chart, we see that it is in an uptrend. The price doubled in 1 month. Really great full point here. But before going further, let's take a look at the tokenomics. The MMO token has a max supply of 5 million. For every 1 CRO earned in the performance fees, 0.25 MMO is minted. This amount that is minted is subjected to adjustments. In the event MMO price goes up, minting will be lesser. You can earn MMO by using the farms, or you can buy MMO on MM Finance. Roughly 13% of all MMO mints will go towards development to ensure rapid innovation. Once all 5 million MMO tokens have been fully minted, MMO will become a governance token that continuously earns platform fees, performance, and withdrawal fees similar to Gen 1 auto-compounding services. In the meantime, before all 5 million tokens have been minted, we will abuse the tokenomics, high APY, to ensure we lock in as much TVL as possible. The aim is to ensure we lock in at least $200 million in TVL on Cronos chain for MMO. This will ensure a steady stream of income when MMO tokens stop minting and we begin collecting only withdrawal and performance fees in structures similar to Gen 1 auto-compounding services like Liquidity Finance and AutoFarm. As mentioned, these fees will be redistributed to MMO token holders in much similarity to Biffy and Auto Tokenomics. Both Biffy and Auto have a max supply, similar to us when we reach the max supply, and they have a market cap of $120 million and $40 million respectively. Other than building on other projects and vaulting all the farms on Cronos, we will be scaling cross-chain into BSC, AVAX, Polygon, Hiko, and many more. MMO is a deflationary token. Is the team anonymous? So they are KYC by a certified, meaning if they rug or anything like that, their identity will be revealed. That is good full point. The KYC is for MM Finance, but it's the same team behind MM Optimizer, so no problem with that. Do they have a strong community? They do have over 37,000 followers on Twitter with really great engagement. It looks they have a lot of fake followers, but nothing concerning. Over 11,000 members on Discord, insane. And best of all, more than $180 million in total value locked. And more than 4,000 members on Telegram. Full point, they deserve it. Now let's check the domain. MM Finance has been registered on Namecheap on the 6th of December 2021. The remaining infos are masked 0.5 points here. Is the product unique? No, the product is not unique. However, it's one of the biggest by TVL on the Cronos chain with over 100 million in TVL. That's pretty impressive. I give 0.75 points here. Is there enough liquidity? Meaning, is it easy to buy or sell your tokens? If not, this can impact your profits. Looking here, they have over $9 million in liquidity. Go to full point deserved. The code analysis. Checking their code, the small automated audit by token sniffer rate at 15 out 100. Not so good. First issue, there are highly similar contracts that were deployed prior to this one. Clone contracts may indicate a low-quality token unless there exists an offering other than the token itself. The contract contains ownership functionality, and ownership is not renounced, which may allow the creator or current owner to modify contract behavior, for example, disable selling, change fees, or mint new tokens. For a project as huge as MMO, yes, this could be a problem. However, if they renounced ownership and there's a bug in their code, they can't modify it, and this would cause a huge issue. So whether it's renounced or not, they both have inconveniences. The liquidity pool is not found by Token Sniffer. However, as we've seen, there are over $9 million in liquidity. You can buy or sell the tokens, so no problem here. I give 0.5 points here. Are there whales that could dump the price of MMO? There are over 2,800 holders of the token. Most of the tokens are in the smart contracts. This is good to know, and we've got one whale here with more than 9% of the tokens. This could be the team. They deserve a part of the tokens because they built the product and all. But still, they can dump the price if they want to. They are the only whale, so I give 0.25 points here. What does our AI predict? At Predir Capital, we have trained an AI using thousands of crypto projects' data that have been launched in the past. And according to our AI, the future of Mad Meerkat Optimizer is average, meaning it's a good project and a good place to invest in. But still, high risk involved. 0.5 points for that. For the rating of the project. Out of 10 points, MMO scored 6.5 out of 10. Good enough to be considered as a good project. So is it a scam? No, it's not, but we don't know what will happen in the future. If they wanted to scam, they would have done it already. They have more than 180 million in TVL on MMO and more than $400 million in TVL on MMF, so it's safe to say that they are here for the long term. If you want a video on Mad Meerkat Finance, make sure to comment below MMF so that I know that you're interested. Should you invest here? Well, it's an auto-compounder. You need to check if the coins in the pools are worth it. Usually, big APY of over 100% per year is really bad, because there is a big dilution of coins to offer such APY, and big dilution equals crash of the token. In my opinion, it's a strong project for the moment and one of the leader in the Cronos chain by total value lock. And as they say, MMO helps crow lovers take more crow. Please subscribe, like the video, follow my Twitter, the link is in the description, and see you in the next one.